So we will continue our topic, world between the world wars. So as I was saying in the previous slide, I was talking about the rise of Stalin. So the next leader of a Bolshevik party. So he was given his development through the twin plans on agriculture and as well as industry. So in this way, he give strength to the Russia and he will grow the economic of Russia. So now we will talk about the impact of Russian Revolution on the world. Okay? As I told you before, what was the appreciation they got about the Russian people, about their communist government, or about the people who fight against the teaser. So as I said before, our leaders M.N. Roy, they appreciated M.N. Roy and Rabindranath Tagore and our Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. They appreciated and the communism, but they criticized the single party system, one party system. Now we will continue our topic. Our next topic is the economic depression. Okay, the economic depression from 1929 to 1939. So what is economic depression? Means the money. Okay, the shortage of money. How the economic get down of the country after the World War, because there is a huge loss in the World War. They lost the property, they lost the life. So of course the impact will be going to get on the countries. So we will see the countries how they suffered after the World War, or what are the how the economic get collapse. How the economic value they lost the value. So all these things we will read. So what happened there? The once the after the World War, the people become very poor because they lost their wealth in the World War. They lost their life. So if I talk about the products, nobody is going, no one having the money to buy the products. So they stop making their goods in the factories. So the cost become more expensive of those products because no one is buying their products. So automatically the price become so high of those products. And another thing is that the shortage of I can say that I can say unemployment was there, shortage of food and unemployment was there because of this laws. There is a huge unemployment there, especially if I talk about America. Almost 25% population of America become unemployment. If I talk about other countries of the world, it grows to almost 33% unemployment. People lost their jobs. And further, if I could talk about the countries, the people who are dependent upon the agriculture, the government told them to reduce the price because the people who don't have money to buy the fruit, buy the food. So the agriculture farmers, they reduce the price up to 60%. So they are not getting any benefit. The farmers, they are huge loss. They are getting more poor because they are not getting any benefit in those agriculture products, and because they have to reduce their price. So this was the problem which they are facing in this region, in these countries. So we will talk in the next slide what are the other our economics, what are the economics saying about this depression, why this depression take place. We will understand through our economist. So what are the reason of the economic depressions? So what our economist, okay, who will take care of the money in the country. So these are the economics in our country. Also we are having the economics who will take care of the money, how the money is going from the country or coming, import, export, and all those things where we are investing the money. All these things taken care by the economics. Like in our home, our mom is there who will take care of the money of our father. She knows that where she have to invest the money. So likewise we are having the economist in the world and in the countries who will take care of the money and their issues and their investment. So what they said, experts, economists, they say that Marxists say why the depression take place. The reason behind is capitalism. So what they did, most of the European countries, they invest the money in other countries to get the benefit rather than spending on their own country and get the benefits and create the jobs for the people and make the industries and develop those countries. What they have done, instead of this, they go unnecessary, they make the other countries slaves and they capture other countries and they do so much investment. If I talk about India itself, they have, of course, they have took so many things for our country, but the thing is, they have just spent the money on us. They have make the railway track in India. Why all those things are required to create in other country. So that is the reason only saying the Marxist capitalism unnecessary. He spends so much money, this country spend on other countries, so that this will become a cause of depression. And according to the J.M. Keynes, okay, he's another economist. He is saying that state is responsible for this depression. So if I could say that, why the state is responsible, because on time when the state was saying the depression was taken place, so that time only he have to resolve that issue. They have to take the action. They have to stop the uh, depression. So like, if I could talk about our country, suppose, if we can, see the prices will get high in tomatoes, or we can see that, in the onion. So what the government they will do, they will reduce the price. They will not they will not keep a stand and seeing that, the prices become so much high. So on time they will reduce the price and they will handle the situation. But here in this case, this government, they have not taken any action. Just they was watching, like spectators, like how we watch the movie, such as they are watching that. They have not taken any action on the time. That is the reason only the depression was taken place. Another economics Keynes, he is saying that, again he is blaming to the state, and he is telling that, state should generate the funds. When once they are saying that there is a depression taken place, why the state have not generated the funds? The state should have a backup plan. They should generate the funds, and they should help those people, like, if I said, unemployed people, and the people who lost the job, they should give the money to them, and from those money the people will start a new job. So this is the thing which have been get not take place during the depression. That is the reason only they saw a big depression at that time. So in our country also we are seeing so many problems we are facing after this corona, but hats off to the leaders of our country. They are doing very good job, if I could say, in the central or in the state. Our government are doing all the things which can help to the poor people. Even people itself of our country are helping to the poor people. So I request to everyone, to help each other to come back from this disease. So now how they overcome the depression, we will talk about that. How they rid with the depression. Franklin Roosevelt, okay, is the president of USA. So what he started the New Deal called the 3Rs. So in the 3Rs, what he did, the president: reduce, reuse, and recycle. So whatever they are using, they should reduce the quantity. Then what the quantity is left, they should reuse again, and whatever the quantity left, they should they should be coming to the use. If I give example, somebody order for a plate of biryani, instead of one plate biryani, they should order for a half plate, reduce. And those half plates, suppose it is remained, it is some biryani is there, support, they should be keep for another time, reuse. Then if suppose, recycle, instead of throwing that, just they may need to give to another person to eat. So in this way they can work on 3Rs. So this is the one program which president follow. And apart from this, there are so many things followed by the president. What he did, so many, as I said before, like, there are so many people died in the war, and civilian and the military. So what he did, he gave pension to the homeless people and orphan peoples who don't have parents, who don't have father. So he started to give the social security to them. And what he did, he started, giving loans to the youth, to the younger people who are unemployed to start a new business. So by doing all these things, he just got a little bit improvement in the depression. By seeing him, how the USA rid or come out from the depression. The Britain also follow, the UK also follow the same thing, and they started the free hospital or the cheap hospital for the people, and the shelter for the homeless people, and also the education. Okay, free education, or less price in the education, and other things, what is required, like loans, by seeing the how USA got come out from the depression. UK also did the same thing. And now we will read very important topic about the German, how the German face the depression. It is very interesting and very tragic also to see in the next slide. Economic depression in Germany. So how it was, how the Germany was facing this depression. If you talk about, almost the growth of industrial products was getting reduced. The company stop to produce. Almost I can say that 40% of production was reduced, because no one is buying. The people was so poor. Okay, due to that, no one is purchasing the products. So the manufacturing 40% was reduced. And if I could talk about the unemployment was also increased at that time. And there's a lots of losses they face, especially if I talk about Germany. As I said, Germany was lost this battle. And so most of the people of the German, they got very poor, and they don't have the job. And those who are having the job, they are getting very less salary. And the people of German, especially the youth, okay, they used to sit on the street near the exchange where they are getting the job. All the people are sitting on the street and playing cards and other games, and saying that, if somebody is passing from them, they are saying, do you have any job? They are willing to do any job. You can see that, how the people are, people are got suffered at that time. So they are willing to do anything in the German. So this was the problem they are facing. And another thing is that, the business and other entrepreneur, they are also facing at the time lots of problem. They are also, business comes under the crisis, like we see in the during Corona also, how the business people or business get crisis, and how the people lost their jobs, and even those people who are doing the job, they will get the less salary. So all these problems they face in the depression. May God help everyone. So now another thing is that, what the German think, German thing at that time, to come up from this problem, to solve this problem. What they did silly things. What they did, they make the money, they print more money. Like, they think, we need money to purchase anything, na? So let us print more money. So they meet lots of money, they print, and that, to print the money, we are having one condition, even international condition. We have to put the gold in the bank. Okay, then only we can get a certain limitation of amount money. That much only quantity we can print. But these people, what they did, they print lots of money, lots of money. So what happened, once they print lots of money, the money lost their value. So what happened, like, 1 crore become like a 1 rupee, suppose. So 1 crore become like a 1 rupee, means it's even less than the 1 rupee. Means the people who save the money in the bank with the lots of struggle and day and night working, all the money will become dirt, it's become like a garbage. So can you imagine, to buy one loaf of bread, one piece of bread, they may need to carry the money in the block cart. So you can imagine that, how much money, how much quantity it was, to carry on the black card. Means definitely, even if I could say 1 crore also, we can carry easily on our hand or in our bag, But to carry on black card means it is definitely somewhere on 10 15 20 crore or 60 50 60 crore, that much money only we can carry on the placard. That too, if it is not 2000, if it is 100 rupees, 200 rupees note, or even 10 rupees, 20 rupees notes. So anyhow, this is the situation, worst situation. The people have been get suffered in the Germany during this depression. And we will talk about the next topic after this very important topic. We will discuss the next slide. Keep smiling.